Hello dear students, today I am going to tell you a traditional story written by Florence Holbrook. Florence Holbrook is an American writer and she has rewritten so many folktales. Folktales, do you know what is folktales? Folktale is a very old traditional stories which is passed down from one generation to another in oral form. We didn't find it in a written form. But like Florence Holbrook and many other writers, they have rewritten this stories. So children, today I will tell you of a traditional story which is written by Florence Holbrook, Why Evergreen Trees Never Lose Their Leaves. These evergreen trees, they did not lose their leaves in a particular season. Like deciduous trees, they lose their leaves in autumn season. But evergreen trees are said to be always evergreen because they did not lose their leaves in any particular season. So why they didn't lose their leaves? There is a story. There is a traditional story which is written by Holbrook, and we will see this story and we will find out why these evergreen trees they didn't lose their leaves. If we will go according to this story, then it is said that evergreen trees are very kind trees. They are very generous trees. So let's see what kindness they have shown and to whom they have shown their kindness and became evergreen trees from this story. This story starts with the arrival of winter season, and when winter season comes, birds started to migrate toward the south because southern part is a warmer place where birds get sufficient food and also relief from cold. But there is one little bird whose one wing is broken and it cannot fly with its family member. So it is left behind in the forest and his other family members have flown away. So this little bird need help and it went to birch tree for help. He asked birch tree that please give me shelter on your branches, but birch tree said that no, he won't give him shelter because he is already having so many birds on its branches. Bird felt very sad and thought that birch tree is not very strong. So he decided to go to the oak tree for help. He asked the oak tree that please give me shelter till the spring season comes. But oak tree also denied. He also refused to the bird that he won't give him shelter till spring season because spring season is very far. And this bird, he is afraid that this bird may eat up all his acorns. Acorns is a fruit which we get from oak tree. Now bird is upset and then he went to the willow tree for help. But willow tree also denied the bird and said that he never talks to strangers. Strangers means to whom we don't know. Now bird is very sad and it is also feeling hungry and cold. So it tried to fly with its broken wing. And when it was trying to fly with its broken wing, a voice came and it was the voice of spruce tree. The spruce tree asked the bird that where are you going, little bird? bird had said that nobody is ready to give him shelter on its branches. So he is flying away to the other place. Then spruce tree, he showed his kindness towards the bird and he said that you may live on my branches. So now bird got shelter on spruce tree's branches. At the same time, pine tree also joined the spruce tree and he also said the bird that he will protect him from the north wind. Then again, juniper tree, it also joined them and he has also said to the bird that you may eat up all my berries, all my delicious berries, tasty berries throughout the winter. So in this way, these three trees have helped the little bird. Now in the sky, the Frost King had ordered his son to go and touch all the leaves of every tree with his icy hands, but except those trees who have helped the little bird. Do you know what is frost? Frost is like a snow, but snow is formed high up in the sky and frost is formed on the ground level when temperature goes below 0 degree centigrade. So at night frost came and touched the leaves of willow tree, oak tree, birch tree, but it did not touch the leaves of spruce tree or pine tree or juniper tree. In the morning, they have found their leaves were fallen on the ground, and willow tree and birch tree and oak tree, they were looking bare. But this spruce tree, pine tree and juniper tree were still left green because they were kind towards the little bird. So they have become evergreen tree, and oak and willow and birch tree are not evergreen tree because they have not shown any kindness towards the little bird. So in this way, children, we have learned that uh, if we help somebody, then God also help us. So we must be kind towards others and help the needy people. I hope you have enjoyed this story session with me. Thank you.